G'day mate. Today Mick and I are over here at Harris County Kleb Woods Nature Preserve. You can see us right off of 2920 over here. Now this place is located in what the indigenous people call God's country, Tomball, Texas. Now follow me. Tomball, Texas was started by German immigrants. One of these German immigrants was the forefather, Elmer Kleb. Now Elmer, who's pictured right here, Elmer runs into a bit of a tax trouble. So he decides he wants to give his property to the Audubon Society, but he can't. So what does he do? The people from Tomball area come together and they help him turn it over to the Audubon Society. And this is what we're going to be looking at today. The Kleb Woods Nature Preserve in Tomball. Follow me. We're back. Kleb Woods, you can see the map here of all the different places you can walk on the trails. It doesn't just have like one little walk, it has multiple little walks. And it's not only a nature preserve, it also has a nature centre and a heritage farm. And this was the Kleb farm, which we'll be looking at in a little bit. All right now, let's take a look at this area that's called the picnic loop. We'll go this way. Come on. Notice the wide trails, crushed granite. A great way to traverse this property if I've ever seen one. Look, some blokes left out their little equipment for some reason. Needless to say, Mick will be after me about taking care of that later. As we walk, you'll notice the wetland areas over here to the left. We'll also see some more wetlands over here. There's ponds with bird watching. Now, for you blokes that don't understand, it's not girl watching here, mate. It's actually bird watching, real birds. There are about 10 of these cement type tables. Wonderful to sit down and have a little dinner, a little snack on. They've also got these park barbecues right there. Put some shrimp on the barbie maybe, mate, don't know. But Mickey, if you take that camera and you turn it, look at the loblolly trees. Go ahead, scan around that way, mate. Look at the loblolly trees. These are native pine trees, indigenous to this area. All right, we're going to go a little bit further along the old dirt road. Let's go. Before we go to the Nature Centre retreat down here, we're going to go to the scout camp. Let's have a look-see at this scout camp. It looks great. Follow me. Let's take a look at the scout camp. Let's go. Right here, the scout camp makes a long circle coming around. But right there in the middle, you see that it has a nice area for a camp out. There's a nice fire pit. Let's go take a look at it. Notice how they have nice bricks around here, so the sparks don't get out of line here in the pine needle area of the country. They also have this grate. You just take the grate, you fold it back, you put your meat right there on top of the fire. So it looks a little bit like that. Back up. There you go. Empty that anytime you like. All right, let's take a look at the roundabout. The whole scout camp has these wonderful little hooks that you can place lights on, so none of the little scouts will be afraid, and all the adult campers can go out in the woods when the call of nature takes them. It's almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Notice the canopy. The sun's hardly peeking in for those people that don't like to sweat. It's a great walk in the shade.